Hey guys, and today I am on the airplane. Look, I'm currently in the very midnight dark. We're in Southwest, so wish me luck on this very scareful. We're in the back row. How often does it happen? How often? But this is in the front. Everyone say hi. I don't know if you saw anyone, but I bet you saw some people. Dad. Who knows? Dad. Woo.
You have a Samsung Galaxy Note 7. We do ask you keep that completely turned off for the entire flight, not like that. So once again, if you have a
Okay,
Galaxy Note
guys.
7,
Just kidding. That's
turn that completely off. If you are student emergency exit, please review the exit requirements and
It
operating
won't be like much of a vlog or a long. Okay. So my friend, something weird happened. My friend, she said,
let one of us know right now so we can release you.
you should do a vlog at school. Like I was like, what? But something even more crazy happened. She said to hide it in my lunchbox. I was freaked out.
Thank you so much for joining us.
So, if you guys ever done that, comment. Let's get on to actually good recording. A video. Something in my teeth. You guys. So we're currently nowhere right now. Yeah. So we're not doing very good, actually. Yeah. I'll
him and then the one in college. I was talking about yeah, you have one brother.
catch you later, I guess. Okay, bye. You guys. Bye guys. And remember, smile. Bye. Hope you have a nice flight if you're on a flight right now.